welcome back to Cooking with Chef Buff. We bring you the good stuff. All right, today's Super Bowl. All right, we're making a side dish, well, a dip. We're making a red hot Frank buffalo chicken dip. Okay, but I'm not cooking it. My little Miss Chef Puff is making it, my daughter. All right, you're not gonna see her, you're just gonna see her hands. I'm gonna narrate exactly what she's doing to make this easy chicken dip. But I just wanna say, go Chiefs. All right, so let's get to cooking. Right, so what little Miss Chef Puff is doing right now, she's actually seasoning the chicken. Ooh, I'm forgetting a lot of things here. So all she's doing is seasoning with salt and pepper. All right. She says season each layer, and then she's gonna give a good mix, and she's gonna continue to do until they're all seasoned and well coated. All right. So this is a very simple buffalo chicken dip. So we're gonna be moving on to the next step very shortly. So y'all guys stay tuned because this is gonna be some fantastic chicken dip. Go ahead. Okay, what little Miss Chef Puff is doing right now, she has already cooked the chicken. Internal temperature is 165 degrees. Now she's shredding the chicken for the buffalo chicken dip.
Stop it whenever.
What little Miss Chef Puff is doing right now, she's adding 2 blocks of cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese. All right, and to this skillet. And the skillet's going to be on basically medium high heat. Now she just added the Frank's red hot sauce. You can put that on anything. Now she's adding the ranch dressing. She's adding the ranch dressing. And now she's going to combine all these ingredients together where it's going to be nice and smooth. All right, it might not look pretty now, but I'll be damned, it tastes delicious. All right, now the next thing, after she starts getting this all melted down here, she's going to add some blue cheese, crumbled cheese. All right, you can purchase it at Walmart. There's small containers. If you don't like blue cheese, you can leave the step out. Put something else in. Put pepper jack cheese in. Okay, and now she is about to put the crumbled blue cheese in, so we'll wait for her to do that, and let's finish watching the video. Now at this time, she's going to place the shredded chicken, and she's going to keep adding the shredded chicken, and she's going to mixing it very, very well until the chicken is combined with all the rest of the ingredients. Now what she's doing now, she's adding pepper jack cheese to the buffalo chicken dip. All right, and you can add as much cheese as you want or as little as cheese as you want. All right, so this dish is just about almost ready. Okay. Okay, she's putting it into the oven, and for several minutes, this is the outcome of a buffalo chicken dip. And she did put it underneath the broiler. As you can see around the edges, it is nice and bubbly. Now she's adding some green onions to the top of this buffalo chicken dip, and this dip was delicious. It was very delicious, and it was too bad that the Chiefs lost the Super Bowl, but that's who we were rooting for. But try this recipe. Little Miss Chef will be very happy that you did try her recipe, and a child can make this. All right, so thank you, Miss Chef Pup, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.